Hi everyone, my name's Dave from the Vilistus support team, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to install and set up the FadeBack software. FadeBack is a piece of software that covers your computer's screen and fades in and out. It's generally used when you're watching something. It works quite well with Netflix. It also does the sound as well, and it's a good way of training a specific brainwave, like if you want to set it to alpha or theta. Right, so let's get started. First you go to the Vilistus website and then go to support and then to Vilistus FadeBack setup file. Double click on that and it'll start downloading. This could take a few seconds or a minute or two depending on how fast your computer is. Then click on the file when it's downloaded and you'll see and it'll start installing. It's a very similar installation process to the Vilistus software, if not exactly the same. So just press to making changes on this device, then next, agree to the terms and conditions, then press next, and you do want to create a desktop icon, so select that and then press next, and then install and finish. Then close the window and there should be a new icon saying FadeBack on it. Double click on there and then you'll get a thing saying you need to have the license key. So the way we're going to do that is go into the Vilistus software, press help and then license. You should have got a license key sent by email when you bought the software. So go to your email and just type it or copy and paste it into that box and then press continue. You should then get a little window saying license for Vilistus FadeBack created. Press OK and then minimize the Vilistus page. Now on desktop, go to FadeBack icon. You should get a setup window and a black window. Go to setup and you'll get some options saying minimum volume and maximum volume. This is just to say where you want it to go. So you might not want it to, the volume to go all the way down. You just maybe want it to go to about 15%, and we'll set the maximum volume to around 80. And then with the opacity as well, you can change that. It's going to be fading in and out between those two, as you can see there. And once you've done that, go to setup. Now open the Vilistus software and we're just going to set up a quick protocol. We have covered this in a previous video if you want to go and see. For the purpose of this, we're just going to use an existing session. So we'll just go to accessories, quick protocol, channel 1 EG, okay, and then action augment, band, we'll just use theta, and then that's set up. Obviously if you're going to be doing it with a normal session, you'd need to configure the sensors, but we're just going to use an existing session. So existing session, channel 2 EG, and then just press play. Bring the FadeBack window to the front and you'll see throughout the session it will fade in and out. Also, if you are watching something, the music will also fade in and out. It should give you an example of it in a second. Must be a particularly focused session. There you go. It's fading in and out. And then once you finish the session, go to and then session stopped and ended. You can save it as well. But that is how you install and set up the FadeBack software. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post a comment below. Other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the little bell if you want notifications. And thank you for watching.